Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this Sgakgu Cordless Knee Massage machine. It's a knee massager with a 5 settings and 8 vibration modes. For shoulder, for the elbows and the knees. It's a massager for swelling, for stiffness, for injuries and discomfort. It comes in a single style in blue, as you can see. We have 8-stage vibration and 5 stages of heat. It's equipped with an adjustable vibration intensity and an intelligent thermostat, so we can choose the mode that best suits for us. The combination of vibration and heating effectively increase the comfort of our legs. We have an intelligent LCD touchscreen, modern touch control design that clearly shows the current mode and gear settings. The one-button adjustment function makes that operation more convenient, and it is suitable for users of all ages. And intelligent timing function. The built-in intelligent timing duration of 20 minutes to avoid overheating or a discomfort during the prolonged use. We enjoy the massage with a more peace of our mind. And multifunctional design. Because the knee massager is not only designed for the knees. It can also be used for the shoulders, for the elbows and other body parts to provide an all-around relaxation experience. And it's lightweight and portable. 3000 mAh lithium battery with a Type-C charging port supports fast charging and a long life. It can be used at any time, whenever we need it, at home, in the office, or on vacation or on business trips. We have an improved 2.0 heating pad massager for shoulders, for knees, and for elbows. 5-stage heating. 8 steps of vibration possibilities. 20 minutes timers. Touch screen display. 3000 mAh lithium battery. And fast charging. And you can recharge it where you like. A USB source can be an AC adapter. USB can be a USB power bank, and other computer or something else. And we have 5 temperature levels. It provides a cozy warmth to warm the knees. We can make setup number 1, 45 degrees Celsius, this is 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2 is 50 degrees Celsius, this is 122 degrees Fahrenheit. 55 degrees Celsius, 131 degrees Fahrenheit. And up to 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, or 65 maximum with 149 degrees Fahrenheit. So you have 5 temperature levels which you can use through to your good, nice, comfortable health status gainer. And on top we have 8-step vibration function. Wakes the knees and increase our comfort. And you can see easy operation and an anti-touch lock. After 15 seconds, without pressing the button, the screen is automatically locked. Double-clicking on the button unlocks it again. So think about that, and you can use it again. With 3000 mAh large battery capacity, we enjoy the knee massager with a long service life, with a long life of use. Intelligent timer function, so you will stop automatically after 20 minutes. We have 2 hours fast charging, then it is full recharged and full usable 8 up to 10 times of the 20 minutes times. Really easy. You can operate it with all you need. And it's versatile. A nice product for your health. Gain a better life by using such a device. This here is the Sgakgu Cordless Knee Massager. It is not only a knee massager, it comes with 5 heat settings and a vibration modes with 8 settings. For shoulders too, for elbows and knees. It's a massager against swelling, stiffness, injuries, and discomfort. It comes in a blue finish, in a good shape, and an easy installation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. 再见。